Welcome friends and viewers. Today we will learn how to install Xamp server on your PC or your system and how to run a HTML file or a PHP file on your browser. So let's start. First you need to download a Xamp server from your Google Chrome or any your browser. Okay, you have in your system. So write Xamp download. Okay, Xamp download. So friends, note this, you have to download Xamp from Apache Friends. So write this and now you have to download Xamp for Windows. If you run Linux operating system, so go to this section and download according to your system requirements. So I have 32-bit system, so I will download from here. But guys, I have already installed Xamp to my system like this. Go to control panel and looks from programs and features. Here, look at this, I have already installed Xamp server. So go back and we will search Xamp control panel. Run this Xamp control panel, and this is a layout of Xamp control panel. You have to start Apache and MySQL models. Start Apaches and MySQL. So minimize this and make a file, create a file like HTML or PHP, any of type. You have to create some files that you want to run at your browser. So this is an example HTML file. Hello friends. So let's save this file. Control A, Control C, scope. Create a new file, paste that and save this file too. You have to save this file to your Xamp folder that is created default by Xamp server and named by Xamp. Select this folder and go to htdocs. So give a name to your file like test2.html. Save this. Now run your file at your browser. Write localhost /test 2.html. Run this. Look at this friends. Hello friends. So in next video we will learn how to work on database and how to create database, how to create tables, how to retrieve data from your database using Xamp server, and how to display your records on your website. So thank you for viewing this video.